Hello my dear students, how you all are doing? Hope your exam preparation is going well. Just one day later, your exams are there. Exam is with science that too. We heard that paper, two papers you wrote, two subjects paper you wrote. They were like moderately tough, right? Not too tough, not too easy, moderately tough. We are expecting a good skilled question. We are expecting a good skilled question paper, see, in the board exam of science. I request you all to prepare well. I request you all to prepare well for the science. Study well, read textbook, read the notes, and if you get any doubt, message me. Let's start. In this video, please watch till the end. A very important question we have brought. You can just see here which how many questions are there, which questions are there. Quality questions we have, and those questions can come in your exam also, or the concept can be there, right? Main thing that you will get an explanation on all this thing. So watch this question and try to answer by yourself also, right? We'll give an explanation, right? Okay, see, first question. The resistance of a conductor is 27. Imagine if it is a one conductor. Okay, if it is cut into three equal parts, there's total 27, so this will become 9, 9 and 9, think it, right? And they are connected in parallel, so total resistance 1 by R is equal to 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9, correct? So 1 by R is equal to LCM will be 9 only into 1 because LCM is 9. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 1 by R is equal to 3 by 9. So what you will get, 3 ones are 3 threes are, R is equal to 3 ohm. So total resistance is how much ohm? 3 ohm. Understood? So this kind of question can come, say anything twist comes, but you should write well. 3 ohm is the answer. Ohm is a unit of resistance. What is resistance? You know, it is the ability or it is a property of a material to resist the flow of charge. Unit is ohm. The factor affecting the resistance: length, temperature, area and nature. Okay, area is inversely proportional, temperature and length directly proportional. Remember this. Everyone clear? Next, go for next question. By constructing check dams in level terrain, in level ground, dams are constructed on what reason? Whether underground water level decreases? No. Why underground water level decreases if we create an, if we make a dam? Underground water level increases. Yeah, because if we store the water, then it will be going into the underground, so underground water level can increase. Let us still see the options. Underground water get, no, that's no chance like that, there is nothing like that. Vegetation in nearby areas are destroyed due to excess moisture. Moisture matlab water, because the what you said, dam is there, then moisture near that area will be there, but doesn't mean that it will destroy the plants, that is vegetation. No, 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 this. Okay, understood? Sometime you should read all. Okay, to obtain a diminish means what? A small image of an object from a concave. This is your concave mirror, this is your principal axis, this is your pole. Okay, and this is your principal focus. So focal length will be negative in concave mirror, you should know. And the mirror which is bulged inward or curved inward is called concave mirror. What is the position of object to obtain a diminished? Here is your center of curvature. Am I right? So where you will keep the object so that you will get an diminished image. The first thing, if the object is at infinity, if the object is at infinity, you will get the image at F, which is diminished image. But object at infinity, they haven't given the option, so it won't come. Next, what will come? See, you should know the ray diagram is very important. Without ray diagram, you can't go for examination only, I can say. When you keep the object beyond C, then you will get the, this will here and another will get here passing through C. So this is also diminished image. Okay, so the object is beyond C. Is there? Yes, it is there. Correct? Understood. Okay, what will happen if you keep the object at C? See, if you keep the object at C, this is your object here and this passes through F, and as the object is at C, so this will come here and image also will form at C only. Size is same. Here it is not a perfect figure, but size will be same, remember, when the object is at C. In case of a concave mirror, whichever lens also if you take. Okay, now when you keep the object between P and F, this option we are trying. If it is your P and if it is your F and here it is your C, so what will happen? Any idea? This will come. Arrow mark is very important, and this is going through C only. Image will be behind the mirror and it is virtual and erect. This diagram you should practice it. Okay, you should practice it. At F, if you do, it's very easy. Then when the object is at F, you will get the image at where infinity, where you will get the image at infinity. Okay, boys and girls. Understood, boys and girls? If you understood, please give a thumb up. The electronic configuration of X is 2881. It can lose one electron, no doubt. Okay, lose one electron because outer motion is having one. Y is 287. No doubt it can gain one electron. The bond which is formed by sharing and gaining of electron is which bond? Ionic bond. Which bond? Ionic bond, remember. The bond which is formed by gaining and losing and gaining of electron is ionic bond. Hello, कौन से पेपर? तौसीफ सर है ना ट्यूशन में? हाँ जल्दी जा फिर. हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ, मैसेज करता हूँ. Just a second. You read the question and you try. Try, everybody. Try. Next question you can try. See. One more question also will make to be visible. Yeah. See, tell me the what you say. What you say? Okay, there's two questions you try. First, roasting and this. The bond which is formed by sharing of electron, sharing of electron. The bond which is formed by sharing of electron. Which bond is formed by sharing of electron? Let me know. Any idea which bond is formed by sharing of electron? Covalent bond. Covalent bond, yeah. Correct. Next, a pure dominant pea plant, pure dominant it is, dominant, pea plant, dominant pea plant, yellow seeds, cross with pure recessive pea plant, wrinkled green seed, wrinkled, yellow seeds, round yellow seeds should be, what should be? Round yellow seeds, yeah. So round yellow and this is wrinkled green. So number of plants bearing round green. By here if you go with the F1 generation, see this is round yellow, wrinkled green. So this will be your gametes. Correct. If you cross this R, capital Y, small y. So this is round and this is yellow only. So there is no chance that you will get round green. So round green will be 0. Answer is what? 0. It can come in MCQs. Understood? What is roasting? Roasting means what? Calcination is there and roasting is there. Both we will teach you. What is roasting here and what is calcination? Can you tell me what is roasting and calcination? See, roasting is a method in which sulfide ore is heated. Which ore? Sulfide ore is heated at high temperature in the presence of oxygen. Sulfide ore is heated at high temperature in the presence of oxygen to form metal oxide. What it form? Metal oxide. Calcination, in this the carbonates ores are heated. Which ores? Carbonates ores are heated in the absence of oxygen. Okay, in the absence of oxygen to form what? Metal oxide. Which oxide? Metal oxide. Okay, so this roasting is done for sulfide ore, it is done for carbonate ore. Okay, our first point you can write it is done for sulfide ore, it is done for carbonate ore. Roasting takes place in the presence of oxygen, calcination takes place in the absence of oxygen. And if you still want to write, then definition you can write, and you can give an example like zinc sulfide plus oxygen to give zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide, zinc carbonate in the absence of oxygen, zinc carbonate, zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Hope you understood. Correct. Understood now, boys and girls? Understood now differences and both we gave you. Write the equation of decomposition of lead nitrate. Very important. PbNO3 twice. It is heated. It is a thermal decomposition. Lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Remember this nitrogen dioxide is which fumes? Brown fumes. It is an example of which decomposition? Thermal decomposition. Try to balance by your own. It is very important. You should know how to balance and you should be thorough in this. Okay, I will give you idea. This is O2. This is also O2. Here single O. Single O is not possible to balance. So here you will give 2. Total oxygen will become 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. But because this lead became 2, here we need to give 2. So this will change whole scenario. 2 lead became, but nitrogen became here 2. This 2 2s are 4. 4 nitrogen. So 4 nitrogen. Now oxygen is automatically balanced. You can check balancing. Okay, everybody, this is very important. Another example of one decomposition you remembered. FeSO4 give rise to Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Understood? Everybody understood or not? This is also example of thermal decomposition. Okay, and one more thing, this both have a pungent smell, remember. With smell, pungent smell. Is it clear? You're understanding or not? If you are really understanding and helping, then I deserve a one comment or a like button, please. Your exams are there, we are trying to help you. Whatever possibilities are there, we are trying our best. Is it clear? One more is there, right? Calcium carbonate decomposition also, and decomposition always endothermic, remember, CaO plus CO2. Okay bhaiya, understood. Whitewash, you remember, CaOH twice. When will pass a carbon dioxide, it will give you CaCO3 and H2O. But if you pass excess of carbon dioxide, if you pass excess of carbon dioxide, then it will turn into CaHCO3 twice. It is I mean, it is, you can say, water soluble, and this is white precipitate is there now. This is no color. Okay, color white precipitate will turn into no color. Is it clear? This is okay. Calcium hydroxide, also called as slake lime. Clear? Everyone clear? Understood? Everybody understood? Okay. What is photo decomposition? The decomposition reaction which takes place in the presence of sunlight. The decomposition reaction which takes place in the presence of sunlight is called photo decomposition. Example, silver chloride and silver bromide. Very important example. Silver plus chlorine, silver bromide, silver plus bromine. Correct? Let's balance the reaction. Cl2 is a, so here 2 and here also 2, 2Ag, 2Ag. Balance. This is used in black and white photography. Got it? Which photography? Black and white photography. Remember, balancing is also you should learn. Compulsory should learn. Under what condition lactic acid is produced in your muscle cells? Tell me, lactic acid is produced in your muscle cells. Under what condition? In the lack of oxygen. Okay, during sprinting, when we are running very fast. Correct? That time glucose is there, which is 6 carbon compound converted into pyruvate. This pyruvate is 3 carbon, remember, 2 molecules of pyruvate, and this glucose is 6 carbon compound. Okay, so 3 carbon pyruvate is 2 molecule, then only 6 carbon will become pyruvate. Pyruvate is in the lack or in the absence, lack of oxygen in muscle cells. In human only, it will give you lactic acid in muscle cell. This is responsible for what? Muscle cramp. Okay, will get a relief by taking hot water bath or massage. Okay, next, name the defect and name the defect. This is the figure which lens is used to correct. Here you can see the image is formed before retina. So first of all, you should tell me which defect it is. Short sightedness. Short sightedness. And in short sightedness, person can see which image? Person can see near object clearly but not far object. Okay, so to form an image on the retina, we are using it diverging lens, concave lens. In our eye, which lens we have? Convex lens. It is held at a place by what muscle? Ciliary muscles. These ciliary muscles are helped in what? To see near and far object by changing focal length of the lens. Okay, when, during, in which case focal length increases, during what case focal length decreases, that you should see. Please go through that topic properly, everybody. You are getting it, my point, everyone? When your when your lens will get diameter or aperture will increase, I mean, sorry, the curvature will increase, and when we see which object, your curvature will decrease, in which case your ciliary muscles will get contract and relax. You should know this perfectly, everyone. Okay, this is the answer. In case of hypermetropia, your image will form behind the retina. Remember where it will form? Behind the retina. Convex lens is used. Translocation in plant matlab what? Transport of soluble product of photosynthesis. Soluble product of photosynthesis. Okay, transport of soluble product of photosynthesis from leaves to all the parts of a plant is called translocation. Okay, and this translocation takes place in phloem. It takes place in what, boys and girls? It takes place in phloem. Understood? It takes place in phloem. Phloem contain what cells? All living cells except phloem fiber. Sieve tubes are there. Then we have a which cell? Companion cell. They are living, remember. And we have phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Correct? Phloem fibers. Okay, main role is done by sieve tube and companion cell. Okay, they transport the food from leaves to all the parts of a plant in both the direction, upward and downward direction. But whereas xylem transport water only in upward direction, that is unidirection. Correct? And differences are there, that which cell. Why ethanol is used for medicine but harmful if we drink? See, ethanol is used in medicine. It is used in medicine, but it is in very small concentration, very small concentration, and it is having use, like it is having good uses in very minute concentration, like it is used in cough syrup, also it is used as an antiseptic, right? But in very minute concentration if we are consuming it, like in case of a cough syrup, but very minor concentration. Right, boys and girls? Not in large concentration. Large concentration, if you take, then your liver will get kharab. Okay, your liver will get damaged, will get many other problems also. So never drink that. Okay, let's go. There is no change in color of red litmus and blue litmus when you introduce this paper into an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride solution, there is no, yeah, sodium chloride is neutral salt. After passing, when you pass the current, okay, direct current, here plus water is there because it is a solution they gave. Okay, plus water. So when you pass current, okay, through same solution, then that red litmus will change to blue. Matlab something basic is formed. This is a chloralkali process. We'll get NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. And why we get a blue? Because NaOH is basic in nature. Which product is responsible for this change? Sodium hydroxide. What is the answer? Sodium hydroxide is responsible. Okay, mention two uses of this sodium hydroxide. Any uses you know? What are the uses of sodium hydroxide? Very simple. Sodium hydroxide is used in the preparation of soap. Yeah, correct. Used in the preparation of soap preparation. Okay, first. What is another use of sodium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide is used in what? Making paper. In paper industries also. In paper industries also this is used. Sodium hydroxide. And if you know any other uses also, then also you can write. Okay. If you know any other uses, it is also, it is sodium hydroxide exactly used to prepare even I think what you call what is as an antacid it is used. Yeah, sodium bicarbonate, that is called water baking soda. Correct na? Baking soda. It is also used to prepare baking soda. Right, boys and girls? Understood? Understood, everybody? You are getting it, or you have any doubts? Next question. A food chain in a polluted aquatic organism is given. Polluted food chain is given. Now, freshwater, algae, fish, birds. Which organism is disturbed more due to biomagnification? Last trophic level only. So answer is birds. That is fourth trophic level according to this food chain. Fourth trophic level is get disturbed due to biomagnification. Why? Because you have to write the definition of biomagnification. The concentration of toxic substance is increases with the increase in trophic level. So the last trophic level will get disturbed or affected more due to biomagnification. Understood? Okay. Next, what is the next question? Biomagnification. Ecosystem will destroy gradually due to biomagnification. Why? What is the answer for this? Because the toxic substance is non-biodegradable, so it cannot be removed from that food chain. Once that toxic substance or that DDT or any other example, if it enter into that food chain, okay, that concentration will be increasing continuously. Correct? And it cannot be removed from that food chain. Why? Because it cannot be degraded by any biological activity. So finally the food chain will get destroyed. Okay, so what is the reason you write? Because the substance is non-biodegradable, it cannot be removed from the food chain. Okay, so it will be, food chain will be slowly or gradually destroyed. Understood, boys and girls? Understood? Understood? This is it in this video. We'll make another video in that will come with some other questions. Till then, take care and bye bye. Hope you all understood. Thank you if you understood.